up everybody, car builder here. On today's video, not really today's, but I'm prepping my hood and some areas. I got in a little accident and I hit a pole because of the ice and snow. So I damaged my hood. I'm about to replace my bash bar and stuff tomorrow. But right now I'm definitely prepping my hood for Bondo on repair, so I can be able to, fix it and, get it squared away. So let me show you what I got going on. Right here is one damage area. You got that right there. You got this, but right now I'm focusing on this area here because it's messed up. Right now I'm sanding it down so I could apply the Bondo on it. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get to that stage. But right now I'm just sanding it down. Right now I'm using 120 grit, just sanding it down. Gotta watch your fingers because fiberglass is very tricky and this stuff does it. So be careful. You just have to aim the wrist. Okay guys, so I got it sanded down and I got to apply the Bondo. See, I got on this side, and so now all I have to do is just get the sand in. So I gotta add more Bondo in this area here. Gotta add more Bondo in that area there. In this area right here, I gotta fill it in. Once I start sanding, getting it smooth. When I go to sand, I'm gonna sand down, 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 and match this body line going down there. Same thing with coming down here, I'm gonna match this body line there. And I'm gonna make sure I get that little edge there. That ain't nothing. But other than that, let's see. What's up everybody, car builder here. On today's video, not really today's video, but I'm continuing on from when I showed y'all me sanding down the hood, my little accident I had hitting the pole. And I'm gonna show y'all what we did so far. So let me show you. Like I told you guys, I went to the junkyard, I found a whole yellow Mustang that had pretty much everything I needed. Had everything that I needed. So I got it, got the bumper, the yellow bumper, bash bar, and all that stuff there. But my issue is my bash bar mount was bent, so I had to use a chain in the truck and pull it. And we got lights in, got them wired in. It's a little funny, but hey, it'll do the job. Got yellow side skirts. One is blue and one is green. But hey, it works. Yeah, guys, I got the bumper on. You got a yellow bumper, yellow side vents, but the bumper is on. It's lined up as best as it could for right now. I got a new header panel, headlights, but the hood is up a little slight because all the wiring for the lights, but I gotta have to fix that. But then, everything else, you got the yellow. It really don't look too bad. It really don't look too bad. But this right here is what we got. But the bumper's on. Right now I'm contemplating now if I should come right here, knock some of this down, and then fill it in. But then I don't know, I'm ready to pack up. But he gonna figure it out soon. Hey guys, this right here is the car. Right now I have it running. This right here is new light. everything this way. Got an accident the second time. So right now, I just got the car running, had to jump it, started fixing on the hood. We got this right here, still working that out. We got this right here, still signing it down soon. But it's coming together. We got the trunk, still got some more signing, but it's coming together. Right now the car is just running. No check engine light. Uh-oh. He got some new shoes up here. Put them on yesterday. I just put my spacers on. Look at that. Look at that. Just gotta finish polish them up. And you know, he be alright. Got some body work I gotta finish up on. Right now, I got it on the rack. Same thing on this side. I got some. What's up, guys? Carl Builder here. On today's video, I got something to slide off. You know, we continuing on, but you know, we got something to slide today. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna show y'all. Look what we got here. We got the chromies. What's up, everybody? Carl Builder here. And I wouldn't say tonight's video, but it's still going on from what I've been filming, what's been going on with the car. So y'all get a overview what's been going on, you know. Y'all see everything from step by step. But this is what I got for y'all tonight. So I just installed my throttle body spacer. And you know, I put it in the car. It took forever to start, but now it's starting around. And now my pedal feels a little tight. I haven't took it out for a test drove yet, but you know, I'll let y'all know how I feel. But then now I'm about to put the struts in. So now let's see how that goes. So let's get it to it. This right here is a throttle body spacer. The spacer comes with a new gasket, with 2 new gaskets, bolts, and another bracket to, you know, move your throttle cable and your cruise control cable if you have one. You know, it pushes it back a little bit for it to fit, because if you don't use it, it will leave the blade of your throttle body open, so when you go to start your car, your throttle body pretty much be open, so your car will over rev. But this is how it looks. That's my yellow throttle body there. That's my yellow throttle body plenum. That's a spacer, and that's throttle body, and it's the cold air intake. And what's so good about my throttle body spacer is that my cold air intake used to be a little loose. And once it used to slip off, I used to just tighten up my clamps and it'd be fine. But now, since my throttle body came out a little bit, now it pushes against this right here. It pushes against right here, and now it's in place. Now it is tight. This shit ain't going nowhere. on pressing on, this ain't going nowhere. So that's a plus. Now look here. Look at that. It ain't as loose. So we gonna see. The purpose of the throttle body spacer is to add a little bit of air. It's to add air flow to the intake and all, and you get a little bit of air flow through the motor and all. So you're gonna see how much extra, I wouldn't say how much extra airflow, because I don't even know, but you know, I'm gonna see if it's a difference, because I wouldn't say I know my car very well, but I can tell when my car gets like a little boost in power, like a little upgrade in power, like if it ain't running right or something like that. Also, when I added this throttle body spacer, I cleaned it, so I know that it had a good surface, cleaned inside a little bit. I cleaned off all the extra carbon that was on it, so we know that, I wouldn't say so we know, but just as it's just being me, might as well clean it while I have it off. So I'm gonna let y'all know how that feels. But I'm gonna get to replacing my struts, and then I also have some polyurethane sway bar bushings I gotta put in. I'm gonna put them in, and I also have inners and outer tie rod ends I have to put in, because when I got in this wreck, when I knocked the 4 signs, I ended up messing up my inner, bending one inner tie rod, and I figured that out. When I changed my rims, I went to do an alignment, my tie rod was bent. So we're gonna fix that, and we're gonna get alignment tomorrow, and we're gonna go from there. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so right now I got the tires off. I'm about to show you, but I'm about to tell you what I'm about to do. And I'm about to share why I'm doing what I'm doing and what I gotta do next. So come on. Right here, I'm replacing it. Right now I'm replacing the inner and outer tie rods. You see it's bent. I'm replacing the outer tires just because I got new ones, because I just put these in, but the boots are busted and the tie rod is bent. And then now if you look over there, I still had to get a little control on because my bushings are short. The straight band links are somewhat on the scene, but then I'm also changing my shock in the front. So let's get into it. I ain't really gonna be showing y'all. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, just to make it easy. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna take this quarter pin out. Then once I take the quarter pin out, I'm about to get a 18 millimeter. Take this off, get a hammer, hit the knuckle, hit the knuckle, hit the knuckle. And this is gonna come down. Then I'm gonna get a crescent wrench, break this. And then when I go do that, this is gonna come down and I just turn it out. Then I'm gonna get a set of snap-on bed grip pliers, turn it out, and you know, and it's gonna come out. And then I'm just gonna do everything same way how I did it. And then when I go to put my boots on, it came with the factory clamps. So I don't have the tool for that, but I'm gonna show what else I could do or figure out how I'm gonna put them in. If not, I'm gonna figure something else out. Also, while I'm here, I'll be changing out my sway bar bushings right here. That side is busted, so they come in a pocket too. So I'm gonna replace them. So let's start. So first, like I said, I ain't really gonna be showing y'all everything. It's gonna be like a mixture of everything. But firstly, I'm gonna show y'all just what you can start off with. This is what I normally start off with, because sometimes this stuff might be new. I think, but I know it's gonna come right off because I just put these in. Loosen that. Then we're gonna take our quarter pin out. I could probably take this out my hand, but I don't know. Hold on. So we got that. So now we got to keep pulling. Set that up. So now I'm gonna get an 18 millimeter socket. Once I get 18, I'm gonna get it and put it on. You know, I'm gonna show you. Come on, let's go. Right here we got this. Right here we got the new strut in, along with the new bushing, new outer, new inner, new bolt, new boot. So I just gotta do the other side. It's currently up to 12, but getting it done. So come on, let's go. Okay, so it's daytime, let's see. So I wired in the lights, put on the new headlights, you know, brand new, already brand new, very pretty clean. Wired new headlights with the ballast. And this right here is new throttle body spacer with the bracket right here. You know, it's push my throttle body out, got a little bit of airflow. And my coil intake tighter right here. Ain't really moving. And they came out a lot, which is good. They got new struts, new rims, that's new bumper, tires.